Hi mga boss! Welcome to my channel, Sheila TVA. So today, I will show you how to make bread croutons. So, this is it. Get your long, fresh baguette. Cut in a cubes. But before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button below. Click the notification bell for more update of my upcoming videos. If you have comments and suggestions, kindly drop on our comment section below and kindly like and share my blog. Thank you. So let's go. After we cut in cubes, we put the bread in our baking tray and we ready the oven. While waiting for our oven to make heat, we put sumac powder on our bread to make decoration and add some more yummy, crispy, and delicious taste. We put and then mix together, mix properly. After that, we put in our oven. Wait until it's done. It become more crispy, golden brown in color. And I think it's just around 3 minutes. If you want more crispy, you can add more minutes on this. While your croutons inside the oven, you can go and get your freshly vegetables and fruits and cut it. So later on, we eat it together, this bread croutons. It's up to you what kind of vegetable or fruits you eat together with these croutons. Or you can eat just croutons only together with your tea or coffee. But oops! Don't forget that you're cooking croutons. Maybe you forget it will become burn. So you check also if your croutons is cooked already. Get these croutons in the oven and then try and have a look if already cooked. See, golden brown already. Mix properly. Mix properly. If you feel it's soft, you put back your croutons in the oven and then wait for another minutes or seconds to make more crispy, golden brown in color, and that's it. It's already cooked and ready to eat. That's very simple on how to make bread croutons. Just only 3 minutes and your bread croutons is ready. So, if you have oven or you have extra bread, you can make bread croutons so you can eat together with your coffee and your tea. And this one, we're making bread croutons for our salad. So, if the customer wants bread, we're ready to give her crouton bread for her salads. It's up to you. If you want your croutons more crispy and brown in color, you can stay little seconds in the oven and then get it out. Try to taste it if nice or no, if good for your taste or not. Now this is our salad. We're ready already our salad. Perfect for this bread croutons.